guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl named Ling. We're back with another video. Feel me? Before we even get started, if you're not already subscribed, make sure to hit that subscribe button. It's over here, so just make your way down there. Anyway, so as you guys know, guys, I don't know what's wrong with me. As you guys know, stacked sweats, stacked pants, stacked leggings, they're all the trend right now, especially for people making them themselves. And I've seen videos of people making stacked sweats, stacked pants, stacked leggings, but nobody has made a stacked bodysuit. So that's what we're gonna be doing today. It's kind of the same as making stacked leggings, to be honest. Well, actually they're all the same because it's literally the same process. However, I just feel like stacked bodysuits would be cute, especially if you're a stick like me and you don't really got no shape. I feel like this will just make it look a little bit more cute, because right now I look like the cinnamon stick from Fruit Loops. Yeah, that's what I'm shaped like. So I just have this black bodysuit, and then I just have a pair of black leggings to match. If they don't exactly match, whether they're in material, mostly they should be the same color, but if they're not the same material, it shouldn't matter too much, just because they're gonna be at the bottom and they're gonna be scrunched up, so nobody's really gonna notice. And yeah, so if you want to know how to make it, keep watching. If you don't have a sewing machine, that's perfectly fine, because today we're going to be doing it by hand and it's super easy. And if you do have a sewing machine, you're probably experienced, so this will be even easier for you. First things first, you want to start off with the bodysuit ons, just got it on. I'm a stick, I'm shaped like a refrigerator, like a box, so yeah, I don't got no curves. But I'm just working on my bed just because it's easier to record up here. So you're gonna take the bottom of your leggings, and these are pretty stretchy, so we should be fine. And it doesn't matter which leg you take, because either way you're gonna be cutting the same length on the opposite leg, so really you only have to measure one leg. I don't have my scissors, hold on. Okay, make sure you have your scissors, okay? You just want to stick your leg through. And just know, the higher you go up, the more stacked it's going to be. So if you go up here, it's going to be really, really stacked at the bottom. The lower you get, the lower your stack will be, because remember, it's going to be scrunched up. So just keep that in mind. I'm going to go up to right here. So it's a little bit below my knee. I'm not even gonna lie, I don't even know how many inches this is. 5 inches. And I'm just gonna make a little hole where I have where my ankle is. You know that ball you have on the inside of your ankle? Yeah, I'm just gonna cut a hole right there just so I know. Pieces are not cutting. Okay, so I have a little hole there. I don't think you guys can see it, but it's right here. So you're gonna take these off. And now you're gonna take your leggings and you're gonna fold them in half so that they're even with each other. Make sure all the seams line up and all of that. Okay, so all I'm doing is lining the leggings up so that we can cut them. These are really old, so it might be a little bit harder to line things up evenly. It's much easier with jeans, because jeans aren't as stretchy. They kind of have more of an exact shape, if you get what I'm saying. So now you're gonna look for the side that the hole is on. It's on this side. So we're gonna fold it over so that the hole that we made is on top. Can you guys see the hole? It's right here. And now we're just going to cut a little bit, we're basically gonna cut where we made the hole at. And if your cut is jagged or it's not completely straight, it doesn't even matter, because once again they're gonna be stacked, so nobody's even really gonna see the bottom. So boom, we got our two pieces. See, they're symmetrical, same length, all of that. And I think the cut is pretty even. I mean, it's a little slanted, but it's fine. Now, this is not the most ideal way, I know. However, I don't have any more well, not, let me not say I don't have any more, but I never had pins to begin with that you use for sewing to like hold fabric in place. So I'm actually gonna sew it while it's on my leg, just so that I sew it as neat as I possibly can. If you have pins to hold fabric in place, I would definitely advise you to use that, because that'll obviously be better. If you have a sewing machine, then like you're totally fine. But you want to take the ankle part of the leggings that we just cut, and you want to put it on up until you get to your ankle, and then you want to flip the rest of the fabric the other way. And then line this up with the fabric of the actual bodysuit. Where's my needle? Oh. So now we're just gonna sew it. I'm gonna sew it at the very bottom of it, and I'm just gonna go around my leg. Like I said, this is not the most ideal way, however, I don't got nothing else, so this is how I'm gonna do it. Okay, so now that we're done sewing, we're just gonna pull this back down. Okay, I don't want to take my sock off just because, as you guys know, all the salons are closed and everything, but you see how they're stacked? So I'm gonna back up a little bit so I can see like the full body. So like this is the best angle I could get for you guys. Like, do you see these? I feel like this is mad cute. Like, I've had this bodysuit for like 3 years now, and I've never worn it outside, like literally not once. And now I definitely think I'm gonna wear it, just because one, it doesn't look like high waters on me anymore, and two, because like they're just mad cute now. Like, and you can adjust how scrunched up you want it. So like you can either lift the rest of the leggings up and just have it like that, and like have the scrunched up going even higher, or you can have it like much lower and just have all the fabric at the bottom like that. I don't know which one I like more. I don't know. You comment down below which one you like more, the right one or the left one. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Support is free, so I don't understand why you don't want to subscribe, feel me? But yeah, if you're gonna do this style, make sure to comment down below. Remember, comment which one is your favorite one. But yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.